State Off-Guard forms a high dielectric coating to insulate and protect your electrical components. Off-Guard's clear, rubberized polymer coating is solvent-based and resistant to water, oils, most chemicals, and other contaminants to help combat abrasion. Its quick-drying formula has excellent adhesion properties and creates a tough but flexible rubberized coating when dry, providing maximum durability. This coating will not freeze or crack when applied in cold conditions. Off-Guard can be applied to exposed electrical terminals and conductors, vehicle wheel wells and frames, gutters, roofing, drains, AC condenser pans, ductwork, winding coils, and more, making it a versatile option. Off-Guard provides ideal results wherever a rubberized coating is needed. As it will not drip or sag, Off-Guard's clear formula is perfect when appearance is a concern and can be easily removed from most surfaces. Off-Guard, another great product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.